Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is my second and last unboxing for the Curlkit subscription. I got it today. I got it today. If you watch my channel, you know I got a box in July, which was my first box, and I was tremendously unpleased with that box and I had to cancel. But apparently I didn't cancel quick enough because they hit me up for the August payment and my August box came today. So let's get into this box to see what's in here. So it is the Bride Edition. It's the Ampro styling gel. Really, Curlkit? Again? You can even get Eco Styler? Yeah. This is the Clear Ice non-flaking hydrating styling gel. I haven't used this gel since I was relaxed back when I was like a teenager. I haven't used this brand. Okay. So far, not good. Oh my God. Jam, another throwback for me. I haven't used since I was relaxed as a teenager. This is Jam's Black Castor and Flaxseed Oil Styler. And don't get me wrong, this might be some good stuff, but Jam, really? Shine and Jam. Only thing I can say about this is I haven't seen this. It must be new. It must have just hit the market, but no alcohol, no flaking, no parabens, hydrating, radiant shine, firm hold. It has vitamin E. It's Jam, y'all. It smells good. It smells like a perfumey smell. But it's Jam, another brand that, let me just say this. On my subscriptions, I expect some top shelf products. And I'm sorry, but Shine and Jam and Ampro Pro Style is not top shelf. Okay, this is Heavenly Hair Moisturizing Shampoo. I've never heard of this brand. Might be good, I don't know. I don't know if this would be considered full size though. It's infused with argan oil and shea butter. It's supposed to grow and strengthen your hair. Heavenly Hair is the brand. Crown Growth Oil. Queen's Magic Hair is the brand. It's 100% all natural. We have African Black Soap, which is a facial wash and scrub. It's anti-acne and clarifying. I didn't know Curlkit, I didn't know they do facial products. But the brand is Nubian Heritage. It's another Shine and Jam product. This is a shea butter hair and skin cream. Jam, yeah. This is the Dynamic Do-All. It is for your hair and skin. It's hydrating for your hair, anti-breakage, styling, leave-in, co-wash, anti-frizz, and curl defining. Wow, okay. So it's a leave-in and a co-wash? That's confusing. Let's see, okay, so just about this product, because I'm curious. It's an all-in-one hair care and skin care. It reduces frizz, improves softness, making hair more manageable, refined styling ingredients. I'm so glad I canceled. I'm just hoping I can get this Curl Box subscription. Shout out to Kizzy Monroe. This Saturday morning, I have my alarm set. Thanks, Kizzy. I will let you know if I am able to get my subscription going. But yeah, this is Curlkit's box for August, y'all. We got 6 products. Just expect more for my $25. Shine and Jam. We have 2 Shine and Jam products. I guess they must be new. Never heard of them. I will try them. If they're worthy of a review, I will do a review. face wash, a shampoo by Heavenly Fair, and we got a growth oil. The Ampro Pro Style Gel Clear. I might try this. I don't know. I don't know if I trust this in a wash and go. Maybe I may do it like for my edges when I'm doing my updo. That's it. I'm not impressed again. But hey, you win some, you lose some. But thanks guys for watching. This was the Curlkit August box. You won't be seeing any more unboxings from me on Curlkit. I'm done. Thanks for watching. Bye.